Welcome to my channel. Certified Used Transmissions. A complete guide with warranty tips. 1. Know what certified means. A certified used transmission is inspected, tested, and approved by professionals, so it's safer than a regular used one. 2. Check vehicle compatibility. Always match the transmission model number with your car's exact make, model, and engine type. 3. Verify the seller's certification. Buy only from trusted sellers who provide genuine certification reports, not just verbal claims. 4. Ask for inspection reports. Request a detailed report showing tests done, fluid quality, gears, clutch packs, solenoids, and pressure tests. 5. Understand the warranty terms. Check warranty coverage length, usually 6 to 36 months, and what failures are included or excluded. 6. Look for mileage details. Prefer certified transmissions with lower mileage, usually below 80k miles is best. 7. Confirm OEM parts usage. Ensure the transmission was refurbished using original manufacturer parts, not cheap alternatives. 8. Check return and replacement policy. A good seller always offers hassle-free returns if the transmission does not fit or has issues. 9. Verify installation requirements. Some warranties require professional installation. Always install via a licensed mechanic. 10. Keep all documents safe. Store invoices, warranty papers, and certification reports. They are essential if you need repairs or replacement. Thanks for watching.